All right, YouTubes. We're gonna head out and we got a no cool call on the AC. You'll recognize the air conditioner. It's one I've worked on before. Pretty sure it's a York unit. So I got a call for no cooling on it. Let's see, over the years, we've done the condenser fan motor. We changed out the micro channel condenser, and we fixed a big old leak in the evaporator. And this unit gets no maintenance as far as I know. I haven't done any maintenance, and I think the last time I worked on it was when we fixed that leaky evaporator coil. I got a really good video on that. If I can find that video, I'll try and put a link in the description to it. But let's get out there and see what we're getting into. Let's see, I'm just gonna grab this little bag for starters, and we'll figure out what we need. Let's get in there. Let me lock this door here. Zoom out. All right, let's get in there. All right, we got the Honeywell. And I think the old owner of the place could, could access this thermostat from their computer. So they got it set for 73. It's 73 in here. It's got it, man. I gotta try and remember this one. I want to view the schedule. The occupied set point 73, the unoccupied 78. Let's go back up here to the home screen. So yeah, it's 73 in here. Status, cool on. So I'm gonna go check the unit out on the roof, jumper it out, see if it runs. Right now it's holding set point, but we'll go up there and take a look at the unit. I gotta ask these guys for the security code to jump into here. Right, I gotta find out the 4 codes. Those aren't bad stats. They're not bad at all. All right, so it's gone up to 75 in here. Set point 73. Let's go up on the roof and see what's happening. They said it was like getting up to like 80 in here yesterday. You guys might remember this from previous videos with this air conditioner. The seagulls are having their babies. They are going to attack my hide. Here they go. I can hear it short cycling the unit. See, look. Oh, iced up coil. Oh, Titus. Oh, I wonder if we got a broken belt to the blower motor. Let's take a look here. I don't feel any vibrating. Wonder if our indoor blower's not running. So there we go, look. Short cycle. Houston, we have a problem. Over. Yep, there it goes. Short cycling. Short cycle. All right, I got the screws off there. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is. Broken beltitis. The unit was doing its job. Let's see here. What do we got? Got here A35. No spare. I usually buy 2 at a time and leave a spare in the unit. For a little NorCal's tip of the day, you get 2, you leave a spare in. Let's see what the filters look like. Ooh, somebody's mad. She's calling for backup. Then they'll start dive bombing me. Here they come. And they'll shit on you and everything. What do you got going on? You got babies up here? Where's your nest? Here they come. This dude's got stones. Not even leaving. This is the unit where the the metal was so weak and flimsy. I did end up getting the OEM condenser fan motor for this unit, and we put the Unistrut on here. My Unistrut hack. I don't know if you guys remember that one. We've changed out the micro channel condenser, and I did a big old fix on that evaporator coil. So broken belt pretty much tells you, yeah, probably no maintenance, right? So, oh, pluggo to the buggo. Oh, mama. Any sunlight? Can you see the sun over there, you guys? Anybody? See the sun's right there? All right, let's go hustle up some parts. That's where we're at here. Parts hustling. All right, we're gonna go pick up a couple belts. I don't have 835s on my truck or my van. All I carry is the small ones for the hoods. Like A20s, A22s. We'll go make a little parts run here. Chevrolet. Right, I got my belts. We're back in the face diapers. Our numbers are all screwed up from that Delta bullshit. So we got to wear masks everywhere again. Well, let's get back out there and see what's going on. We get this air conditioner working. All right, we got our new dilters in. We'll button up this side and then we'll work on that belt. I got a spare belt, NorCal's tip of the day. Just buy 2 and leave a spare one in the unit. So then when it breaks, you don't have to go chase one down if you don't keep that size on your van or truck. So that's what I did there. Let's get this side buttoned up. I got the probes here. We could do a check and charge after we get it up and running with the Measure Quick. I'll just take and leave a spare in the unit. And then for you new guys, if you haven't worked on a lot of belt drives, you can check your shiv to see if it's worn out. Like this one's in good shape still, believe it or not. When they get going bad, you'll get a lip in there and you can feel it. This one's starting to get a tiny bit of wear, but nothing bad. For example, let me show you the motor sheave. It's got a lot more wear than the blower. Now, this is our motor sheave, and it's got some substantial grooving to it. You can see the lip on the inside, so it's probably time to order up a new pulley for this. Pulley, that's the correct terminology is sheave, and it's adjustable. So the motor sheave is adjustable, and it'll increase or decrease your airflow, and it'll also change the amp draw of the motor as you change your pulley size. So as it gets closer, it's going to spin faster, more amp draw. And as you open it, it'll slow the motor down and pull less amps. And a lot of times they'll be air balanced from an air balancing company, or you do it yourself, or you can check your CFMs. And when you go to change these out, I like to measure the gap with that gap with the tape measure, and then make sure I get it right. But the motor sheave definitely needs to be replaced. It has a big old groover on it. But it's a little NorCal tip of the day for you guys. You can actually see the groove from back here. This one, there's no lip in there. That one on the back side, and it has a nice good lip to it. All right, we got our new belt on. I'm checking the tension. It's good, feels real good. Lined up there, so I'm gonna go ahead and button this up. We'll fire it off, let it run for a bit, and then we'll get the probes on and check the refrigerant charge. Okay, I'm waiting for the time delay to time out on the thermostat. The indoor fan did kick on, so I went ahead and wrote down my filter sizes and quantities on the door, belt size and quantity with the paint pen. And I'm going to need to access this panel right here for the to gauge up on it. Looks like 2017 I put the condenser in. Barely make out the white paint. New condenser. I can't tell the month there. Either February or May. I can't tell if that's a 3 or a 5, but it was definitely 2017. We changed out the micro channel coil. All right, I got the measure quick hooked up. You can see my outside ambient temperature is only 66 degrees today. All right, I just got the unit started up. We'll let it run for a bit and then do some rechecking. All right, so I have some screenshots on the measure quick. It's yeah, the superheat reading never got right. It's only 66 degrees outside, and the suction line temperature reading, I was having a heck of a time with it. Right here I got it shined up. This is where I got the probes. You can see across too, the condenser coil is clean. I haven't washed it. You can see me moving. You can see the sunlight through the other side of the coil. And I changed this condenser out in 2017, and I don't know if somebody washed it or not, or they just got lucky. All right, she lives to fight another day. It's supposed to keep the seagulls away. And I got some more measure quick shots here. Again, I was taking these readings in a low ambient condition, and but for the most part, it's the charge is okay. Unit's working good. Gets to set point cycles off. I got the air probes in there. Everything's looking pretty decent for the most part. All right, so we're maintaining set point now. Yeah, outdoor temperature looks saying 60 with 91 humidity. And we are maintaining set point. That's going to do it for this video. Remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and smash that bell to get notifications when I post up videos. Thanks for watching.